Look at that. That's turmeric there. Really good stuff. All right? And this is all from the supermarket. This is all supermarket stuff that we planted here and we're harvesting now. This is what the plant looks like. It's a beautiful plant. You can use the leaves for tea. You can use the leaves in soups or salads. Not in salads, more so soups. Soups are for seasoning. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna cut the leaves off. And we're just gonna keep the root here. And this root, we're gonna wash. I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like once it's washed. It will look more familiar, like turmeric, once you see all this dirt off of it. But this is a really large harvest of turmeric here for one plant. I'm actually a little surprised at how big this is. And you gotta pull all these roots apart, get each little bit out of here. But that gives you an idea of what we're dealing with. This is all turmeric. So we're gonna actually make some turmeric powder with this. So stay tuned, all right? See you guys, bye.